Today I'm going to take all my pencils out and show them to you, and we will compare them. But watch till the end to know which pencil is my favorite one. I took out a whole bunch of pencils that I have at my studio, and we're going to compare these. They're all the way from Crayola to Derwent Inktense. And I also have two mystery pencils that you want to see, so watch this video till the very end. Let's go one by one. First, I'd like to talk about the Crayolas. The Crayolas are by far the first pencil set that your child would probably possess. These are made in Brazil. They come in packs of 12, 24. They're really nice, bold colors. Okay, for a starter set, it says they're very long lasting, but my experience is that they break very often. The more you sharpen them, the more they break, and they are eaten up really very fast. Comparable to the Crayola is Blick pencil set. This is sold by specialty store Blick.com. They already come sharpened, they're non-toxic, so safe for kids to use. Come in 24 colors, so you get a variety of colors, in between colors as well. Okay, for general use in drawing. They are break resistant. You can see the colors that are in the back as well. They're break resistant. They are slightly better than the Crayolas. But again, my experience is that they also are eaten up fast. They run down fast. Also have over here Faber Castell. A slightly upgrade to those two. Again, come in 24 quantity. Good colors over here, bold colors. The best thing that I like about this is that the pencil is triangular in shape and cross section. So if your child is just about learning how to hold the pencil, this is a really good shape. It allows them to hold the pencil with 3 fingers. They last long too. They go really smooth. They can be sharpened on a regular sharpener as well. Let me show you the sharpener that I like. I like Fiskars brand. They are known for making cutting tools and blades. A typical sharpener has 2 holes. All these pencils can be sharpened in this hole over here, the smaller one. The bigger hole is used for sharpening crayons. If your child is just about learning how to hold the pencil, you may find this helpful. This is a pencil holder. Any circular pencil can go inside this nicely, and it will allow your child to hold again the pencil with 3 fingers. Slightly upgrade on the pencil is the Scholar. These come in 12, 24 packs. Good combination of colors to do a variety of drawings. It's made by Prismacolor. This is a premium brand, but this is a cheaper version pencil set. So if you are looking to replace your Crayolas with something more long lasting and with a better coloring, I would go with Scholar. Very similar to the Scholar is Staedtler. This is a 36 pack. Offers really nice blending, smooth, break resistant, easy to sharpen. You can see the colors over here, some neon colors in this set. I like this because it comes in a box. The pencils are protected. If you're traveling, your child is on a road trip, you can carry this box along with your regular eraser and drawing pencils, and you would be good to go. We will now see some of the other premium pencils. Prismacolor is a very reputed brand. This one is a water soluble pencil, color pencils. They run smooth. Really pricey though. You can see the colors in the back. They can be used wet or dry. And if your child has a lot of practice and want to really go professional, then I would suggest this one to start with. It's very superior quality, professional quality pencil. Also have the Color Soft over here. These are color pencils made by Derwent. It's an English brand made in UK. They run really very smooth, really vibrant colors. I love these pencils. They can also be sharpened in a regular sharpener. So those are the Derwent's Color Soft. They come in a 12-pack, 24-pack as well. This one is a 24-pack. A little bit upgrade to the Color Soft is the Inktense. These have really very vibrant colors, really bold and rich colors. If you see this peacock, it has a red color over here. These are also water soluble. That means you can create watercolors out of that. Here are some examples that they gave in the back. These are made in UK. Then I have two more color pencils. The Yikes and the Koh-i-Noor. These are Yikes. They are vintage pencils. They were very popular in the 1990s. And they're kind of a trick pencil. If you are wanting to gift your child a pencil set during Halloween and you want to trick them, this would be a good one. They're no longer sold in stores, but probably you can find them on eBay. So, I actually got a red color out of this black pencil. So the paint on the top is different than the color of the pencil. Many times I give these to my students. They pick up the color, they want to paint color in orange, they pick up this pencil, and when they color, they find out, oh, it's actually a purple. And the expressions that they have on their face is just priceless to see. Also have Koh-i-Noor. Koh-i-Noor is, these pencils are made in Czech Republic. They're very vibrant in color. They are woodless pencils, meaning they have a lacquer on top, and inside there is no wood except the lead itself. So this whole thing is colored, and it's nice to take colors out, and you can see it's a really very vibrant color. You can even use this color pencil on the side and it will be able to color. I would not recommend this for children at all because they're really very heavy, and if dropped they can break really very easily as well. Those are the color pencils that I have, and by far the color pencil that I like is the Derwent Color Soft. They run really very smooth. It has an awesome feeling to just have it in your hand and color, and smooth colors coming out. You can use them really very well for blending. You can turn the pencil around and have a sharper tip for just outlining. this is one example of Derwent. I have some other examples as well that I can show you where I've used Derwent. This I did some time back. And if you see this purple over here, it's out of the same pencil without sharpening, so you can get multiple shades out of it, and can be used for really very intricate designs. Here is another example. You can see the blending going from one color transitioning smoothly to the next color. This also is done with using Colorsoft. So those are all my pencils. Stay tuned and watch my next video, which is coming out soon.